Dear David Beckham, you are a legend, and your legendary status cuts across England national team, Manchester United, Real Madrid, AC Milan, as well as PSG. But there's one thing I'm not going to accept from you. This. How can you say that Lionel Messi's unveiling got up to 3.5 billion views? Do you know what that number is? Maybe I'm going to accept that you probably made a mistake. Maybe you wanted to say 3.5 million views, which is even difficult to achieve. But coming out to say 3.5 billion views is out of it. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. Me and you have a very personal problem if you lie this type of lie again. I know you are going to see this video, and let this be the final warning that you lie a lie like this. Yeah, it is. For most of you that do not know, do you know that Jose Mourinho, who is arguably one of the best coach today, was once an assistant coach at Barca. At Barcelona, he was not actually employed to be an assistant coach, but to simply be a translator. Jose had an unsuccessful career as a midfielder in Portugal. He moved on to be employed by Sir Bobby Robinson to interpret for him. Sir Bobby Robinson employed him both at Sporting Lisbon and also at Porto. When he moved over to Barcelona, he requested for his service immediately. Barca employed Jose Mourinho to be a translator at Barca. Then he moved on to become an assistant coach both under Bobby Robinson, Sir Bobby Robinson, and Louis van Gaal. Today, he is one of the best coaches in the world. The only coach who has won UEFA Champions League, Europa League, and Europa Conference. Manchester United coach has wasted no time in settling for a new captain. We remember a few days ago, Harry Maguire cried out after he was told that moving forward, he is no longer going to be the captain of the team. True to it, the coach has wasted no time. He's selecting someone he believes will lead the team in the right path starting from next season. Bruno Fernandez is now new Manchester United captain. Eric Ten Hag believes in his skill, believes in his leadership skill to lead the team to the promised land, and the attacking midfielder is going to definitely do well. Manchester United legend Wayne Rooney has advised Maguire, now that you are an ex-Manchester United captain, don't you think it is best you leave? Don't you think you go to one of those clubs that needs you now?